Our advanced package is our most popular plan. It's perfect for those that have an existing website or for those that are starting a new website and would like us to take care of the entire setup. You would still be responsible for adding your galleries and content, but you will have one-to-one support. You'll have 2 one-hour video screen shares or phone calls whereby we can answer any questions and make sure you know how to get the most out of your website and help you hands-on with tweaks and refinements to perfect it for you. While doing this, you have a 2-month period from purchase to launching whereby you're able to use that time as you require. If you have everything ready and you would like to get it going as quickly as possible, the process takes on average 2 weeks. Just know that as you go through this process, we want to make sure that it's a collaboration, so we are here to help answer any questions that you have. We help apply your branding, your fonts, your colors. We set up the page layouts that you would like. And we do this while keeping your existing website active. So this is all set up privately, and you can work on this at the time and leisure that you have available. To get started, simply go ahead and purchase. There will be a form right after. Complete that, and that will then be the initial get started timeframe that we'll work with. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.